Hi everyone. In this video session, I will show you how to create array and how to annotate these dimensions and multi-leaders with text notes.
Take a circle command C, enter radius 42. Again take a circle C, enter diameter 60, D enter 60. Okay, change line type AutoCAD. Okay, diameter is 60, 26. C, enter D, enter 26, or simply enter radius 13. Okay, create another circle with diameter 10 on dotted line, dotted circle. To create circular pattern in AutoCAD, array is a command, and click on polar, select center or base point, enter how many you want, 8. Okay, close array. We have successfully created array pattern. To create circle, by taking previous circle point, center point is an origin instead of original origin. X distance is minus 80 and y distance is minus 45. Right click, okay, C, enter, right click from, select base point or origin point. Okay, at the rate, replace at the rate because we need to take this point as this center point, take as origin, act as origin before x comma y. Okay, at the rate x is equal to minus 80 comma minus y is equal to minus 40. Enter circle diameter. Okay, create another circle with 16 diameter. This circle is 52, another one is 26. Okay, create from this 45, y is equal to 45 minus 80, x is equal to minus 80. Select base point, at the rate minus 80 comma minus 45, enter. 52 diameter, d is equal to 52, enter. Create another circle with diameter 26. Okay, create a line tangent to this circle. Right click tangent, select, right click tangent, select circle. Okay, again line, create a line tangent to circle, tangent to second. Okay, take a arc, tangent to the circle, tangent to the second circle. Enter 46, 42 radius. Okay, take an arc, tangent to a circle. Okay. 96 is radius of arc. Okay. Take an arc, ARC enter. 42 radius, move MOV or MO enter, displacement true. Okay, quadrant, TR enter to trim, TR double enter. Okay, trim the unwanted lines. Okay, now extend this line. EX is a shortcut command. Select circle, enter, project line, select line, arc, enter. Okay, now here this is trim. Okay, trim this unwanted circle. Okay, annotate dimensions. For linear dimension, DL is a shortcut. DLI is a shortcut command for linear distance measurement. For diameter, DDI is a shortcut command. If we double click spacebar or enter, previous command is repeated simply. Okay, for radius, DRA is a shortcut command. For multileader, MLD is a shortcut command. Enter text and 8 holes with 10 dia. I hope you like this video. To learn more in AutoCAD, subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.